In marriage, conflict is inevitable. Even the happiest couples argue the same topics as unhappy couples, like children, money, in-laws, intimacy. A new research according to University of Tennessee, they talk about how the happy couples may argue. Happy couples tend to take a solution-oriented conflict approach, which means they focus on the problems they can solve, like separating household work, how to spend leisure time, kids' education and sports, investment of wealth. These issues will create argument, but it can have a clearer solution other issues, which is physical health of partner, intimacy of partner. You see, these issues challenges your partner's competence and are hard to get clear resolution. They are more emotional challenges. So in a nutshell, the researchers concluded being able to successfully differentiate between issues that need to be resolved versus those that can be laid aside for now may be one of the keys to long-lasting happy relationship.